What is up, YouTube? How's everyone doing? I hope everyone's having a great day today. I hope you guys are staying safe during this quarantine. I'm here bringing you guys another video. I got some goodies. As you guys can see the title of this video, I got some carbon fiber door handles. I'm gonna show you guys the carbon fiber ductile that I installed, and I'm installing some louvers. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys drop a like and subscribe to the channel for future uploads. Anyways, let's get started with the video.
Oh yeah? New pop art for the Z? What? What could this be? What do you guys think it is? Here it is, guys. That carbon fiber though. Alrighty boys, we're gonna go ahead and slap on this carbon fiber on the spaceship. It's already all taped up from the back, 3M tape. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove that. Start off by removing that and start putting it on. Just gonna go ahead and make sure the back window's cleaned up a little more. Make sure when it sticks on there, it's pretty good.